How to change your country on Gmail. You do that from your Google account page, not from the Gmail app, so open a new tab and go to myaccount.google.com. If a sign-in page appears, enter the password for the Gmail account you want to update. If the browser still has you signed into several accounts, a list shows up first, so pick the right address from that list. If you get a two-step verification prompt, approve it from your phone. The account homepage loads with your profile picture and email address at the top. On the left side, click Personal Info. It's usually the second link underneath the Home button. The page that opens has your profile details, and at first it looks like it stops at your birthday and gender. It doesn't. Scroll down a little until the Addresses section appears. On some accounts, this block is labeled Contact Info instead, but the country field is in here either way. You may see several address blocks saved, like Home, Work, or Billing. The country field is the one that controls your region, so ignore the street address lines for now. Look for the country field, which shows your current location. Click that field. A small panel opens with a drop-down list of countries. If the country field is grayed out, your account is probably managed by a work, school, or family admin, and you can't change it from here. For a standard account, click the drop-down. The list is alphabetical, so either scroll to your country or type the first letter to jump down the list. I'll pick Canada for this example. Before you save this, understand what you're changing. This country setting controls Google Play currency, app availability, taxes, and some subscription pricing. If you have any Google Play balance, spend it before you switch because that credit does not move to the new country and Google will not let you use it after the switch. This is also not a cosmetic profile tweak. Google records the change for legal and tax reasons, and you may need to accept the new country's terms right here in the panel. Once you've selected the new country, click Save. If Google asks for your password again here, that's normal for a sensitive account change. Enter it and confirm. The page reloads once, so don't close the tab until the spinner in the address bar finishes. Then the country field shows your new location. A small confirmation should appear near the bottom of the screen. You'll also get an email to the Gmail inbox tied to this account, usually with a subject line saying your Google account country changed. It can take a few minutes. The account page is the confirmation that matters. And this change can ripple through Google services over the next day, so don't panic if Google Play still looks old for a while. Now for the next thing you'll hit, open a new tab and go to play.google.com. Click your profile picture in the top right, then click Settings. The Country and Profile section shows whether Google Play has picked up the change. If it still shows the old country, it can take up to 24 hours to sync. If you change your country to download an app that isn't available in your old region, sign out of the Play Store and sign back in after that time, because that usually forces the store to show the new catalog. Back in your Google account, click Payments and Subscriptions in the left sidebar. This is the step that trips people up. Your billing country has to match the new one, or purchases get declined or taxed under the old region. If you skip this, you'll see an error saying the transaction cannot be completed in the current country. Click Manage Payment Methods, choose the card, and update the billing address to the same country you just selected. Do that now so your next purchase actually goes through. While you're in the account page, click Data and Privacy in the left sidebar. Scroll down to General Preferences for the web, and click Language. This setting is separate from the country, so if you change country but still want Google in English, change it here now. If you leave it, some Google products may switch to the language of the new country, and that can make menus hard to find. If this got you sorted, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more account fixes like this, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.